Bafowethu, hayi akuvumi ngithule nalena yazi bafowethu. Sisa South Africa. Ayi kushubile. Siyamkhalela uMinister Senzo Mchunu osamisiwe manje. Okufuna ngabe uxoshiwe xo. Ngabona ukuxoshwa dismal. Kumele ngabe uxoshiwe. Ukhethi Matlala udedela amabhomu. Lalela ke lapha kuMadlanga kunalo muntu obizwa ngoWitness C. uWitness C yabona labo witness A B C D K what amaphoyisa lawo asebenza kwi-task team. Amaphoyisa lawo leli phoyisa leli elambopha uKhathi Matlala liphetha zonke likhipha igaxa likhipha amabhomu ngamabhomu ukuthi uMinister Senzo Mchunu received 500,000 and also waphinda receive enye imali angakayisho isigaxa sayo i-funding already ubese kwi-campaign yokuthi ukhampenela ukuthi abe umongameli. So une crew yakhe ebisi campaign already ukuthi ube umongameli. Kwakunengqungquthela eyayise Cape Town. Ngicabanga ukuthi angazi ukuthi kwakwenzakalani eCape Town. So izicubuthwane zeqembu ekutheni bizwa ngeANC zakhokhelwa imali, kwakhokhelwa ihotela, kwakhokhelwa entertainment, kwakhokhelwa izinto eziningi zikhokhelwa icompany, kodwa le mali ibifakwa kumhotsi. Angazi noma ilokhuzaneni igama lecompany ihohle entertainment. Imali ibiphuma kuKhathi Matlala iyongena kwi-account kaBrown Mokgotsi, and then uBrown Mokgotsi bese kuba uyena ke ngecompany yakhe okhokhela onke amathikithi ezicubuthwane ze-ANC ebeyisuke ezaziye eCape Town thizeni. Also nanemali besuke kade ikhokhela uMinister Senzo Mchunu ukuthi phela kulungiswa abantu abazomkhampenela ucampaigner and what not, zonke lezi zomkhampenela ukuthi abe umongameli. Already lo mshikashika ubusuqalile, kodwa umuntu obekade enza zonke lezi zinto uBrown Mokgotsi, imali iphuma kuKhathi iye kuBrown Mokgotsi. Yabo, should uBrown Mokgotsi uyena mxhumanisi specialist esenza zonke izinto on behalf of uKhathi Matlala also and on behalf of Minister Senzo Mchunu. Amabhomu kaqhumile, amabhomu futhi wathembisa emaphoyiseni ukuthi uKhathi Matlala ngalesikhathi sekade sikhanselwe itender yakhe le ka 350 million or 350 billion whatever, 350 million le yasemaphoyiseni phela eyakhanselwa kade isetshenzwa ubani uKhathi Matlala. Yilapho khona adinwa khona abacikeka ukuthi hawu kade ngikhokha mina ngikhokha and then isiyaphinda futhi yakhanselishwa itender yami. Wabhala wathumela ama message kuBrown Mokgotsi ukulalela njengamanje labantu ngizoba expose ABC and Z including naye uMchunu, uSenzo Mchunu. So ke bafowethu nina ke enama support akhe uSenzo Mchunu, ngoba ngiyazi kuhlale njalo kunamazambane abolile. Yabo, elithi amaqiniso evela right tangible ebambeka. Kube khona abantu abathanda ukuphuma eceleni njengoJosaka. Yabo, uthola amazambane awu20 kodwa kunezambane elilodwa libolile selibolisa nelinye. Bafowethu, asihlangani nabantu abadlayo, asihlangani nabantu abacorruptayo, asihlangani namasela bafowethu, asihlangani napolitiki futhi bafowethu, kodwa iqiniso lithi kunabantu bafowethu abahluphekayo ekufuneke ngabe baya benefit ukuthola lezi imali. Bese kuyakhwatshaniswa abantu abakhwabanisayo bebehola ngenyanga asibadingi. Yabo, kahle uMinister Senzo Mchunu bekungafanele ngabe suspended. He was supposed to be fired straight away. And I mean, I've said it again, ngathi this man is guilty. Qala nje ukukhuluma isaqala nje ngathi no, uSenzo Mchunu is guilty. Ngakusho lokho ngathi is guilty. Yabo, I did receive ama calls in one of abantu ebengitshela abantu some really friends abanye ngiyabazi bethi hayi kodwa Msomi bekungafanele ukukhulume kanje ngathi because you think I'm a politician. I'm not a politician. So if when you are beneficiaries of one of those things yama business owenza ngendlela wrong ku-wrong ukuthi usho kanjalo kumina yabo. But ekugcineni kosuku we're not fighting with anybody, but we have to fight corruption. As the citizens of Africa, South Africa, we really all have to fight corruption. And I'm waiting for the time where abantu South Africa bonke, whether blue or yellow or white or whatever kind of race it is, if ungumhlalo South Africa, there will become a time when people are saying enough is enough. Sikhathele athi amaXhosa sidikiwe ngoku. Sidikiwe ke ngoku. Ngiyakutshela uyabona lapho ivesa ngempela sigcwala umgwaqo kungasebenzi imoto 2 months 3 months 4 months noma unyaka sebenza lutho akunyakazi ibhanoyi airport akunyakazi lutho sithi no, enough is enough. Sesikhathele nina ama politician sihlale njalo sinithuma niyohlala emaparliament nidla imali nenze yonke into kade nantshontsha futhi still masela ndini. Sikhathele bafowethu sifuna uclean uhlala ubaba ungubane ekhuluma ngeclean governance ekuthena uyi-clean governance ebabiza abantu abanjanjanjani ezobabuza usizokuthiwa madoda ntshontshile nami bafowethu ngimi kanjalo ngithi bafowethu ubusela abudingeki. Lo mdlalo wamaxoki udlaleni lo mdlalo wenu wamaxoki kodwa bafowethu musani untshontshela abantu abaphuwa musani ukufuna ukufulfilla lesike sithi the poor will become more poor and the richer will become more richer. No, I don't want that. I don't believe that. I really don't believe that. Abantu bakaNkulunkulu laba, these people, they need to be served ngendlela eyiqiniso not ngamanga. Igaxa ziyaphuma manje uma ngasathi ufuna ukuzwa le commission iphume ngoba bephuma ama allegation ephuma eqhamuka kubaba ubaba uShamasi baba uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi konakele kumoshekile. There are drug cartels, there are cartel upon cartels, the mafia. So this country has become a mafia state. What are we doing as a country? So kunama commissioner u2 njengamanje yabo, but ubufakazi enifunayo ibuphi? Ngisaphula ubufakazi nathi iqiniso liphumile. Thatha umthuni mfake ejele, thatha uSibiya mfake ejele. Sesiyazi ukuthi uSibiya naye wafandwa ngo2 million efandwa uKhathi Matlala ukuthi athenge ilokhuzana athenge ilendi avule whatever it is wenza ilonji wanikeza nelokhuzana wanikeza nenyamazana ezu20 ezafa zonke lezo nyamazana. Imali ontshontshwa ngeke izikise ndawo. We really need to stand up, people of South Africa, and say enough, it's enough. Amasela, they must go. Mina lelizwe engathi ngavele liphathwa amasosha. Sidinga amasosha or whatever kind of police forces ukuthi ke siphathe ke kubeka ama politician lapha akacontrol nalama position. Uma kuthiwa zoba khona but awacontroleke ngoba hey they bullying, they messing up everything. Yabo kuyimanje inhliziyo zibovu ziyabagijima bacabanga ufune bevotelwe kulama provinces. Hey asibhedela nala sikhathele manje nina man get there.